We are testing PPR pipe production line. This is raw material. It's recycled from recycled PPR pipe. And this production line is co-extrusion type. This is electricity carbonate. For PPR pipe, the temperature from 180 degrees to 200 degrees. Engineer is connecting pipe. There should be a lead pipe at the beginning for this production line. The white one, you can see this white pipe is lead pipe. We need to connect new pipe, the soft one with white one. And first, use temperature, heat it. You see they connected, then go through vacuum water tank, and the same time we adjust the distance between mold and vacuum tank, make them closer. You see the distance is become small. PPR pipe usually used for hot or cold water supply. It can make different layers. It can make single layer or multiple layers. For this production line, we produce 3 layers pipe. You see the die head and the sleeve is special designed. This makes sure pipe surface is smooth. There are different brands of raw material for this polypropylene. From different countries, the brands are different. Now you can see the pipe the machine works smooth, and the pipe shape is good, surface smooth, everything is fine. This is how we start the production line at the beginning. It's simple. For chemical, for different color, we use master batch. You see from here, this is raw material. The red one is color master batch. Just put 2 to 3%. The color will change. You can put different colors as you want. Usually PPR pipe color is blue or green. For more information about this machine or any kind of question you have, you can contact us. You can subscribe my channel. We will explain to you.